Hi, Rotor's up. Today we're going to assemble the engine. As you see in pictures, we put our main and rotor bearings to our rotors. Now we need to only assemble rotors and just stack up the barrel. Today I think we're just putting this engine back together and we'll see what comes next. So if you could come and show how we just put our rotors. First thing that we need to do is to put our corner seal springs. We need to position them in valid place. I use other seal, usually from different engine, but I don't have one in close to me right now, so just pushing, taking care of that the space in spring should be when the groove for apex seal is. And now we are taking our magnet. Now we're taking our magnet, taking whole seal off in one line. Taking some Vaseline, just little Vaseline is just here to take care of the seal that will be in groove, that the seal wouldn't come off as easily. As I put my rotor in a good spot, I can just show you rotate. Now we're taking care of side seal springs and side seals. As we see, these are asymmetrical. Also we have this notch, it should be upwards towards our seal. Now we're taking our side seals, just little Vaseline on our seal. Pushing it a little, just taking care and know if they are moving freely. We put our seals. It is good to take apex seal and check our corner seals if they are lined up. Taking little extra Vaseline in the corners so it will just stick. And just little on side, on the center of side seal. Now we can rotate our rotor. As we have our rotors taken care of, our corner seals are lined up in the old engine. Oh no, it is always good to check, because this seal, when taken into our rotor housing, it won't be able to maneuver as much. Front plate, now we need just take a little bit of Vaseline that the engine won't run pure metal to metal. Now we're taking our rotor. This is our front rotor. I think so, but I'm not sure. This is rear. I need to take this rotor. Now taking 4-stroke oil. This is new clean one oil. We're putting it on our bearings. Also taking these dowel pins. Also some lubricant lubrication will help, even for putting our rotor housing. Some Vaseline on inside of rotor housing, just to lubricate stuff. I could slide this freely, but I think I just wanna check my corner seals because they can wiggle a little, and then we will have to just disassemble all engine. Know if any seal doesn't. Now we need to put our eccentric shaft in. It's time to put apex seals in. Bye.